Good morning, I am Valentina Cruz Paredes, I am 20 years old and I live in Ibagué, Tolima. I am studying political science and in my fourth semester at the University of Tolima. I decided to study this political science because I am a true follower of social justice. This career allowed me to make a better work, lead. About me, I am friendly, I am social person, I am very responsible. I can work under pressure and find good solutions to any problems. I don't have much free time, but I like to relax and spend time with my family. I would like to be part of the work and travel program because it's a very good opportunity to analyze some aspect from another point of view, for example, culture, custom, politics. I work a lot like to meet new people and